Hi guys, so my name is Masha. I am a felt maker. I just finished this beautiful headpiece and I wish I can show you how to do that. But instead of making beautiful pieces, I'm making something very different these days. So I was asked to record that video, so somebody who wants to do this popular item can copy and do the one for themselves. So it's a mask. Which fits perfectly on my face. It's made from merino wool, very fine wool. So I use 2 layers of silk, so it's kind of non-felting. We're talking here, the reason I'm using silk, because never mind how I love my felting, I also have a little bit sensitive skin and I use the finest wool, and I always put a little bit piece of silk inside and silk outside just to look nice, I guess. It's not for the medical use. I try to contact medical professionals. They told me that the way they disinfect it, it should be made from cotton because it's a certain procedure. But if for your personal use, because we just got the recommendations that they want us to wear masks, as it's up to us, but would be better to wear them. So here you go. I have strips to put it on my head. I'm not going to do it right now, but believe me, it works really nice because it fits really good on my chin, and it covers my nose. And I also was recommended to put a metal piece just to cover the, like, make it a little bit more tighter. Maybe I'll do that, and maybe I don't. You don't have to sew anything. It's strictly felting. So, and in a few minutes I'm going to use how to show you how to do that, and you can try. Okay, so let's watch my next video. I'm going to stop right now.